Alright guys, here we are, another quick update for you. I got Jesse down here. Buddy, oh, stretch it out there, Jess. Stretch it out. I know. Oh, Buddy's up in the house. Jody's up in the house. She's cooking up some kind of pizza burgers tonight. Something like that. It's getting dark out. Come on, Jess. Got my dad and my uncle. They're out disc gripping right now. You can't see them. They're in the field, I think, right over there across the highway, across the pavement over there. Got this done out here today. Got another field done over that direction, about a half mile. They're going at it, and just thought I'd update you on what's going on. We got done with harvest yesterday. Had to go do some things over at the bins. Had to do a few things. Pushed the well, I got, as you can tell, I have my green truck out here. It's getting dark out. Hold on. And we got this truck in the shop. We are going to get going on that soon. Have a video coming out tomorrow on this truck, what I'm going to do, and so on and so forth. But I did spray a little Ospo right on there. You can tell the difference right there. But nope, gonna get going on this truck. Gonna order some parts here. Well, I about had them ordered about an hour ago. Looked like a really good price, and then all of a sudden with shipping and everything, it really didn't change. So I'm maybe looking some different places, but gonna get going on that truck. Jody has been making some videos up in the house when I was out in the field on the Fox Shop barbecue channel, the Fox Shop BBQ. You can look that up and subscribe to that. She's been making some really good stuff. When I come in out of the house, out of the field, come on, Jessie. There you go, girl. When I come in out of the field, it's really nice to have something hot and ready to eat, and she's been doing a really good job on that. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna get started on this truck. First thing I'm probably gonna do is the cab corners. Like I said, I have a video coming out tomorrow, a little more in detail on what's going on with this. But yeah, really happy that harvest is over. And like I said, Dad and my uncle, they're out disc gripping. I may get in on some of that. The harvest videos haven't been doing so good, and I kind of expected that. And if I get out in the field disc gripping, I'll probably make a video on that too. But not a bad night here in Central Iowa. It's rather cool. I need to get the yard mowed, but before winter comes, I'd like to get that mowed. Hopefully we'll get another 70, 75 degree day. Thinking we probably will, but no, things are going pretty good here, and hope you're all having a great night. Stay tuned for the video coming out tomorrow on the 1997.3 IDI diesel truck, crew cab. I don't think I've ever seen one of these. And I know, not by any stretch of the imagination are they rare, but I don't remember ever seeing one. I look like I'm zoomed in kind of close. Oh, yeah, that's 0.6, so I don't know. Anyway, we'll just do it like that. But I think this truck is going to look really good when she gets all fixed up, and I'm ready to get started on this. The Bronco, if you've been following along, it's gone. First thing I'm going to do on this is probably the cab corners. The rockers, well, you'll see in the video tomorrow that I have coming out. There is some stuff that needs worked on. That's coming out tomorrow. But maybe a couple new fuel. Well, that fuel tank really doesn't look too bad. This one here, I'm not sure how deep that rust goes, but I don't know. I got a couple fuel lines that need replaced. I don't know what these fuel lines are, if they're plastic or nylon or what. And that's in tomorrow's video as well. They're up in here. I got tape on them right now. The starter's out on this. I need a battery because when I sold the Bronco, I took a battery out of this. I think it was the good battery out of this, and I forgot to take it out. So probably going to have to get a couple new batteries or something. I don't know. But Jody and I pushed this in the shop earlier today. Didn't make a video on that. I pushed it in here with the tractor. I probably, the bumper's a little bit dinged up, but gonna get it, when we get going on this, put new bumpers on it, new wheels and tires. So I wasn't worried about the bumper really, and it was, I probably should have made a video on it. It was kind of funny, but gave her a workout since this thing wouldn't, it won't start, no power steering. It's just dead as a doornail right now. And she steered it in here, and we got it in the door here without hitting anything or breaking anything. So that's a good thing. But anyhow, just hanging out down here in the shop a little bit tonight. Came down to feed the cats. I got Jessie dog down here. What are you doing, Jess? Chewing on your foot? Jessie? Jessie? What? What's going on? Anyway, let her do what she wants to do, I guess. But anyhow, yeah, this is going to be the winter project. The green truck's going to go over in the old shop. She's going to be in here, and I've got the doors for it, which I imagine those back doors are rather hard to find, and going to have to replace. Well, I have one fender here. Got to replace the other fender on the other side. Don't know if I'm going to get aftermarket or try to find one on, I don't know, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, something, junkyard. I don't know. There's a lot of stuff that needs done, but nothing real big. The rear shocks are pretty much shot on this. Almost look like their original shot. Look at that. That's just crazy. They're both that way. Frame's in really good shape. Just need to needle scale it and paint it up and stuff. This rear tank probably should need replaced. I don't know. It's probably not. It's not real. I mean, you can rub it with your hand and get a lot of that. It's just surface rust. I don't know. Back here it's a little bit worse. So we'll see. I think that tank is pretty good. Other than that, not a whole lot. It's mostly cosmetic. Need to get a bed for this, whether I'm gonna go flatbed or try to find a truck bed. Even if the truck bed needs a little bit of work, I could do that. Not a big deal. I did damage the cab up here when I took the bed off. I was not very happy taking that bed off, and I did ding that up pretty good, but I think I can probably get in back here, take this back panel off, push that out, and get this all smoothed out. Not a big deal. We'll be okay. So anyway, video coming out on that tomorrow, and this is going to be the winter project. We're going to try to get all the body work done on this winter, and then we'll hopefully paint it as soon as the weather warms up in the spring. Problem is, as soon as the weather warms up in the spring, we got planting season coming up, but I think this could be an awesome truck. So anyway, guys, I'm kind of rambling on here. I don't know what Jessie's doing with her foot. Paw, foot. Is that your paw or your foot? I don't know, Jessie. You good girl. Anyway, guys, hope you're all having a good night. We're going to get back on the truck stuff. I know it's been kind of lacking, and that's what this channel is about. But if you're into eating and cooking good food and stuff, hop over to the Fox Shop BBQ. That we may change the name on that. I've said that many times. We just don't know what to change it to. But anyhow, that's what's going on here. I'm going up to the house here shortly. I think, like I said, Jody's making some kind of pizza burgers or something. And go up, eat, relax, I don't know, watch a movie or something. It's supposed to rain tonight, tomorrow, and just be a good day to stay in the house. We're gonna go see that new movie, James Bond movie. I don't know if we're gonna do that tomorrow or maybe Monday or something. Hopefully Jill can finally get down here. I haven't seen her in a long time. She's 2.5 hours away, so when we're in harvest, it's go, 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 and hard to get her. So hopefully I can get her next weekend, but it is Halloween weekend, and she may have other plans, and that's fine too. So anyway, I'm rambling on. I'm gonna end this. It's going way too long, but we are getting back to work on truck stuff. I'm in the mood. I want to get to work on this girl, and it's gonna happen. So give me a big old thumbs up. Comments go down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. Bye, guys.